Hey everyone, Mark here, and welcome to episode 6 of Mark Making. Today we're going to work on tuning up the anvil. First, I'm going to use the belt sander to scallop the base and create 3 high points so the anvil itself is steady on the concrete. Then I'm going to use the angle grinder to round off a couple edges of the anvil itself so I have a couple of curved edges to use for scrolling and bending. Let's get to it. And that's it for this episode. We've stabilized the anvil, and thanks to a tip from my instructor, I've dressed 2 edges by rounding them over using the angle grinder. I've also started to work on the layout of my forging corner, making sure I have easy access to everything I need. Next, I need to go find some steel and start blacksmithing. Thanks again to everyone who subscribed, and we'll see you next time.